Hello, this is a video describing an issue I'm having with the ThinkTPMS G1 tool. I purchased the ThinkTool ProS and then separately the TPMS tool. And I've tried the TPMS tool on 3 different vehicles with direct TPMS and have not been able to activate any sensors. It just fails. So I've hooked this thing up to an 17 Subaru Outback. I've scanned it. The only thing in here is the TPMS module is reporting issues. So let's go here. So we have, these are all current codes. Transmitter, no data on all 4 transmitters. Okay, so we're going to see if it's under advanced function, or actually let's just go home. Let's go to TPMS. I've already activated the G1. My apologies for the glare. All right, let's back out of it this way then. Hit the back button a few times. Quit, yes. VCI is still in, yes. Let's go to TPMS. Okay. It already has the latest firmware. It did that automatically when I initially bound it. Let's go to OK. It's connecting to the TPMS tool via Bluetooth. And let's see. There you go. I had to push the power button to get the screen to light back up. So you can see it's connected via Bluetooth. Battery's full. Let's go to Asia. We're dealing with the Subaru Outback, and this is a 14 to 17, 433 megahertz. So now we're going to try the activation. So the tool is now showing front left, and press OK to activate. So I'm going to go outside. Let's put this thing right up against the TPMS. Let's see if we can still read this. Yep. Hit OK. Activating, please wait. Waiting. It's just been failing on me. Every sensor, every vehicle I've tried. Yep, please try again. So let's go see what it says on the Think tool. Just says failed. Just says failed. So I've reached out to the Amazon vendor that I purchased this from, and they requested screenshots and what have you. So I'm just going to post this video and share the link with them. If anybody has successfully been able to use this tool, I'd love to hear that, because I haven't found any videos or threads online of anybody being able to successfully use this tool. Supposedly this was a Kickstarter campaign, this ThinkTPMS G1. earlier in 2021, I think it was released in like February, I haven't found any evidence of anybody successfully using this tool, having any success with this tool whatsoever. So would love to hear if in fact it's worked for you. Thank you.